Yes, now my kifta is done. I grill it for 10 minutes between, like I turn them the other side, so it's ready. And as you can see, I wish you were here. You can smell it. It's so delicious and tasty. It smells very, very nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna show you how I will serve it. I'm gonna put it in the here. And when you have barbecue or any party like I do, always when you make this dish and do this, believe me, it looks so nice presented. People, they love to see things delicious like this. Just look at that. Just look at that. It look amazing. Not because I make it. You can judge it for yourself. And I'm going to test it now. And I'm going to tell you honestly how it tastes. Okay? Now I'm going to take one bread. Going to take one kifta. One piece of tomato. And I'm going to take some onions. That will be so delicious. My hand is shaking because I am so hungry. And the smell, it make me more hungry. So now I'm going to taste it. So I'm going to tell you honestly. It is yummy, yum, yum. Believe me, trust me on that. It's yummy, yum, yum. Oh, it's delicious. I'm going to say bye for now. Today we have kitlete, 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 all for you.